Hi there. You got a lemon? Huh? You got a lemon? Oh. How's that lemon, huh?
Really bites it. Everything tastes good? Really
Oh
good.
yeah, really good thing.
You ever tried this? I think it's yeah.
What are you eating now, huh? You got lemon and
Celery.
celery.
He's
Weirdo.
lemon. He loves lemon.
He's not even flinching. He's like.
You were something else, Ken.
Hey, is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, getting down. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is.
Is it good? Is it good, lemon? Is it good? Oh boy, I don't know how you're eating it like that. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Yeah, yay.